Yes, my viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the development of St. Thomas, and you know it continue. Today we are in Martha River. You can find Martha River between Prospect, Port Morant, and other side if you go to Golden Grove. You know, really reach out there, so reach strokes all neither. So, so if I don't know St. Thomas, soon as I left Prospect, Port Morant I come, heading to Golden Grove that side to Strokes all here, find a place near Martha River. You understand? So finally, them start some road on this section of the road now. Okay, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, finally. Which you all know that them start the work already from out to Hardy Cross and go back to Portland. So none never start on this side. So finally them start some now. As you all can see, me viewers and subscribers. So motorists, if you're traveling from St. Thomas to Portland or from Portland to St. Thomas, be prepared, brace yourself for them something because a lot of work are going to be on the road now. Me I talk two side, left, center and right. So just prepare on yourself, brace on yourself for motorists. Don't bother with the speeding, take on your time. During the night when traveling, if you don't know the road, take your time. Okay, my viewers, we are begging motorists, please, we don't want no more incident and accident and all them something again. Please, we are big people, okay? So as you can see, viewers, finally, them start some work. So stick and stay, cause we're gonna show whatever them start and what them all done so far. So lots of update left, lots of updating at the making, viewers, all about over the place. So we don't know we how manage it, but we are gonna try. Bless up on yourself. Hope you all enjoy the video. Do. Remember, I am your eye away from home. You want to cut out some of the corner. Can you see this deep corner? This is that deep corner coming around. So I just saw them clean out the whole of here. Some of you was clean out the whole of here. So because what they want to take it from this. So them cut out the corner and just come straight across. Come land out here, so. Oh, I'm there, saying that I'm straight to open. So the reason why I'm in can run on the road and scrape the road like that because the road I got dig up. Yes, the road I got dig up and do all over again. So that's the reason why you can't see my scrape the road like that. Take your time, motorists, take your time. So stick and stay now, viewers. Do. Like, comment and share. Remember, I am your eye away from home. Do. serious risk this me are running up viewers. So remember to like up the video. Yeah man, serious risk this. What you try with done? What's up view? This me are going in up viewers. You understand? So this I go straight to Portland. So a whole lot of work. We just show you say them start something for us. Yeah. Evelyn. What you say the name of the place is?
Martha River.
Martha River.
Yeah.
And you are the person that responds for the traffic them.
Yeah.
Make sure them behave themselves.
Yeah.
So are they behave themselves?
Yeah, them out here.
I behave so far.
Yeah.
That's good because normally sometimes you don't want to behave the flag personally, you know. You understand? So what them basically I do here so right now? You know, have no idea?
The road for expand the road.
Oh.
The road I got pave them up.
Yeah.
Finally I fix it now.
Okay. So I guess that the two side of the motor.
Two side, yeah. Both
Yes,
side.
Yeah, yeah. Love to see this man. What you say? Say you're from St. Thomas?
I'm from St. Thomas and I'm proud to be a St. Thomas.
Say it again.
I'm from St. Thomas and I am proud to be St. Thomas.
Yeah, my boss. So what advice would I give those people who run left St. Thomas and say St. Thomas nobody that going nowhere or never have no future or whatever?
When can come back now?
You're welcome them back home.
Yeah, they're welcome back home now.
Yeah.
Road alright.
Yeah.
Waiting
But
for
so the
prosperity
dirty
to go
style of them, I'll just leave the dirty style and come
and
back.
come back home.
Alright, respect for that, okay?
Okay.
Listen. Yes, my driver. Bless up. So my viewers, you hear it, you know, say, this is the project from St. Thomas to Portland, the highway. Alright, them kick off. So bless up in a moment, manners. So let me start from Martha River in St. Thomas. And you know them are go them are do the two cycle over there so don't touch as it. So in order for you to see what taking place in the development of St. Thomas road improvement from St. Thomas to Portland, subscribe to the channel and do the do. Like up the video, my viewers, like up the video. Do not afraid to leave a comment. Yeah, man, them do some work already, viewers. Good amount of work them do from morning, you understand? Yeah. You know, enough of you pass your years, months, days, and you don't know say you so have a wall. I'm sure of that, cause I first me I know say one wall a year, so. First. So down there, so all the water go lead to, you know, viewers. All the water will come off a road, down there, so I have to go take it. Can it go where? I don't know. But for you to stick to the channel, you know will know. So bless up on yourself, you know.